Hey guys, and welcome back to Plugin. In this video, we'll talk about how you can display MySQL data on Google Maps and WordPress using our plugin. Now let's get started. First, just open up your WordPress admin panel and hover your mouse to Plugin and click on Plugin List. Now here you have to search for MySQL data on Google Maps and now install this plugin. Just hit download. Now hit activate. Now our plugin is installed. Now hover your mouse to WP Maps Pro. Now click on Add Map. Now give the appropriate title. I'll give Test SQL, then give the height. Now scroll down and find the option called Listing Setting and enable the display listing. Now scroll to bottom and enable my SQL location. Now hit Save. Now just copy this shortcode and go to Pages and click on Add New Page. Now click on this plus icon and select shortcode. Now paste the code. Now give appropriate title. Now hit publish. Now we are done here. Now, as you can see, there is no marking in map. Now let's go back. Now go to MySQL to map. Now here you have to select the map that we've just created. Now you have to select WordPress table. I'll select WPWZ maps location. Now you have to assign. Now we are done here, so I'll just hit save. Now we are done, so now if I go to map page and hit refresh, now you can see all your MySQL data being displayed here. And that's all, folks. That is all there is to know. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more.